Ginger and turmeric are spaced. They are the excellent condiment that the Indians call the wonders of the universe. They too also have therapeutic virtues. What are the therapeutic virtues? This is what we will see today. Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel, which will let you out the healing ability of turmeric and gingers. I'm Dr. Natu. I'm going to show you the virtues of nature. If you use them, you will be better off. How ginger and turmeric are medicine. When we consume a few things where we have nutrients, it is a food. If these things has active ingredient capable of repelling disease, enemy germs, and pathogenic virus, it becomes medicine. There is curcumin in turmeric. Curcumin is able to melt everything that is in our cause that should not be here. From head to foot, if there is a clot forming in the brain, the curcumin will melt. If a crust wants to settle somewhere, the curcumin will melt. If you add the gingerol in it will chase away all that curcumin has melted away from our body. Those diseases or toxin will go through one of the 5 emunctories. What are the emunctories through which the dirt will come out of the body? The intestine. Everything that has passed through the mouth will be found in the intestine. The intestine will sort out the nutrients and throw out the waste through the store. Have a bowel movement to get rid of the waste. Otherwise, you develop a disease of civilizations. Second, kidneys. The kidneys are sieves that filter the blood, and all blood just will come out as a liquid through urine. Third emunctory is the skin. Superficial dirt will pass through the skins to be evacuated. Here with sweat, the wash will come out through sweat. Fourth emunctory, it is our lungs. We inhale oxygen, we fill our lungs. The oxygen are distributed in all the cells, and the wash resists in carbon dioxide. It's the breath. The last emunctory is means in women. Turmeric and gingers have the ability to get rid of all that trust. This is what happened in the body of our old pensionary in the first video. He was in Europe. He ate anything to live. It was stuffed with trust. Arrived in Africa, his friend advises him turmeric and ginger, which will clean all his trust. Today, I will give only one recipe. If you use it, apply it diligently, it will cure all your diseases. Nourish yourself naturally, and nature will naturally heal you. Let's make this recipe together. If you eat them frequently, your disease will disappear. Before entering the kitchen to make our medicine food, I ask newcomers to subscribe to our community. Click on the bell to be informed of other videos. Today, we are going to transform our kitchen into laboratory. Together, we will make our medicine food. We are going to make an infusion. Let's cut the turmeric, which will melt all the obstacles, all the masses. We are going to add gingers, which will clean all these wastes from our body. We put both in our saucepan, complete with pepper. Pepper helps to fix curcumin in the body. And put the saucepan on the fire. The fumes overhead will attract the active ingredient of ginger and turmeric in the water. We boil, we let it close for a while, remove from it, filter, and add honey, if desired, of course. Add lemon or cider vinegar. The miracle drug is ready. You take this medicine and you drink it over several weeks, and health is assured. We are in the end of that video. Thank you very much. See you next video. It will be end, of course.